Namaste, welcome to Kalamandir, the best shopping world. As you all know, our Kalamandir sarees are very genuine in price and we never compromise with our quality. In the description, you'll be providing with all these saree links that I'm showcasing in this episode. Click on your favorite saree code, it will direct our website. From there, you can shop very easily. Cash on delivery option is available and shipping is free all over the India. Let's begin our today's show. Today I'm showcasing beautiful and amazing semi-pattu sarees, brocade one, with flat 30%. Let's begin. This beautiful saree, which is in a combination of mustard yellow and blue color combination, all over body we got silver saree, floral zal, beautiful lotus flowers. And coming to the border, it's contrast. Side by side we got kadi, and in the middle we got peacock motifs and also floral zal. Coming to the pallu, wow, heavy pallu, floral weaving all over. And we got a plain contrast blouse with big border. The saree cost is 3,299 rupees and after discount it is 2,310. To purchase, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760, or else saree code will be provided in the description. Click on that, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. Next saree. In the same pattern, we got one more lovely combination, parrot green and blue color, always trendy combination. All over body we got silver zari weaving florals, and coming to the border, it's a big border. In the middle we got peacock motifs and floral zal, and side by side we got golden zari khadi. And coming to the pallu, we got a rich pallu all over floral zari weaving, and blouse is plain contrast with border. The saree cost is 3,299 rupees and after discount it is 2,310. To purchase, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760. Ladies, while purchasing, if you are facing any issues, drop a message on the same number 8926760760. Our customer support team will get back to you and resolve all your issues. Next saree. Yes, here comes one more lovely pattern, bright pink color and purple color combination. All over body we got silver zari floral motifs in curvy lines, and coming to the border we got contrast purple color and with golden zari khadi and also with floral zal. Yes, coming to the pallu, wow, very grand pallu with mangoes design all over, beautiful weaving. Yes, this saree paired up with a contrast blouse with contrast color thread weaving and also with border. The saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310. To purchase the saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760. Next saree. Here comes one more lovely combination in the same pattern, mustard yellow and dark magenta color, very different. All over body we got silver zari floral zal in curvy lines, and coming to the border, it's contrast border, major part of it is with golden zari khadi, and in the sides we got floral zal. Pallu, it's contrast with golden zari weaving, and blouse also contrast with self-embossed design and also with border. The saree cost is 3,299. After discount it is 2,310 only. To purchase, take screenshot and share us on 8926760760. For more collections and updates, do follow us on Instagram Kalamandir Fashions, Facebook Kalamandir and YouTube Kalamandir. Please subscribe to our channel and also click on bell icon so that you will be getting notified whenever we upload new videos. Next saree. Here comes beautiful color combination, green and sea green color combination, very different. All over body we got silver zari florals in curvy lines, very different and grand. Yes, coming to the border, it's huge border all over with peacock motifs, beautiful, and also past lace, and in the edge we got golden zari khadi, edge is highlighted with plain. Yes, contrast rich pallu, triangles zari weaving all over, and in the edges you can see past lace. Yes, here comes the blouse, plain contrast with border. The saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 only. To purchase, take screenshot and share us on 8926760760, or else saree code will be provided in the description. Click on that, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. Next saree. Here comes green and blue color combination, semi-pattu saree. All over body we got leaf motifs with silver zari, and coming to the border it's contrast with golden zari khadi, and in the middle we got peacock motifs and also floral zal, very different and beautiful. Yes, coming to the pallu, of course it would be very heavy, grand pallu with lotus flowers and sunflowers. Yes, plain contrast blouse with big border. This saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 only. To purchase this beautiful saree, click on saree code which is given in the description. It will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily, or else take screenshot along with the saree code and share it on 8926760760. Next saree. Look at this combination, very grand and different, orange and pink color combination. All over body we got huge floral zal. Here comes contrast border with golden zari, khadi and also rose flowers and pasleys. Contrast rich pallu, all over floral zari weaving. Yes, contrast blouse with self-embossed design and also with border. This saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 only. You can also visit our website www.kalamandir.com for more collections and updates. Next saree. Here comes blue color saree. All over body we got silver zari floral motifs and border we got teal color contrast, half with khadi and half with pasleys and floral zal, very different and grand. And coming to the pallu, wow, brocade pallu, very grand, and in the edges we got huge pasleys. This lovely saree paired up with a plain contrast blouse with border. The saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310. Next saree. Here comes mustard yellow and purple color saree, semi pattu saree. All over body we got silver color weaving floral zal. And coming to the border, we got contrast border, half with khadi and half with floral zal. And coming to the pallu, wow, very rich pallu, contrast with triangles design in that pasleys aligned. Here comes this semi pattu saree blouse, plain contrast blouse with border. This saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 only. Next saree. Here comes orange and purple color saree. All over body we got silver zari, huge florals. And border contrast, half with brocade, half with khadi and half with floral zal, very different border, edges highlighted with plain contrast. And coming to the pallu, wow, very grand pallu. All over body we got beautiful floral weaving and in the edges pasleys jar. Here comes plain contrast blouse with border. This saree cost is 3,299 and after discount it is 2,310 rupees only. To purchase this saree, take screenshot along with the saree code and share us on 8926760760, or else all the saree codes will be provided in the description. Click on your favorite saree code, it will direct our website. From there you can shop very easily. You can also join our WhatsApp group, link is provided in the description. Click on that so that you can join our WhatsApp group and get updated with our latest collection. So how is the collection, ladies? Hope you all like today's beautiful semi pattu brocade sarees with 30% off discount. So see you in the next episode. Thank you so much for your love and affection towards our brand Kalamandir. This is Radhika signing off. Keep smiling. Bye bye.